Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I received some happy mail from Dee, who is Elegant Embellishments here on YouTube. And right now, guys, she is doing a lot of destashing, so you might want to go check out her YouTube channel because they are wonderful destashes, okay? So let's get into my happy mail. So everything is pretty much wrapped except for a few things, so I'm going to open it here with y'all. First, she sent me this beautiful card that she had made me for my birthday, and I wanted to share it. It is so cute, Dee. I love it. It's going to go on my board so I can stare at it. Guys, look how pretty. I love it with the strawberries. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Thank you. I will cherish that, Dee. And next, she made me this watermelon bag. She sewed this. It's so cute. It has a pocket. I love the trim on it. It's silky. And then the back has watermelons. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it so much. I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but this is adorable. Thank you, Dee. And then next, she gifted me some paper from the Not Too Shabby shop called Frosted and Tufted. And it's front and back. So this is one side and this is the other. And that's my favorite color, pink. So love this. Thank you. And then I knew she was sending this. I am so excited. This is Carousel, my favorite from Maggie Holmes. And this is the Chipboard Stickers. Really cute. Love that. Thank you, Dee, so much. Okay. So let's open this one next. Okay, guys. I got my scissors handy so I can open easier. Maybe, maybe not. She wrapped this good. Okay, here we go. Sorry for the, oh, so cute. Okay, this is from Stamp Affair. Does it have a name? No. Okay, guys, this is so cute. This is from Stamp Affair, and she has scissors in her hand and some fabric, and she's sewing something, and she looks like the flag, kinda. She is so stinking cute, Dee. I love her. Thank you so much. She is so cute, guys. There's the number. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and this is the next one. It says Gigi. This one I think I can just carry. Oh my goodness. She's gonna make me cry. Oh, she made me a stocking, guys. Oh, oh, I love it, Dee. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, guys, let me show you. So she sewed me a stocking, and this is gorgeous. So it's a tea one. I love tea and I love coffee. And she did these little dangles up here, with some bells, and it has a teapot, if y'all can see that, and a teacup on a saucer. And then she sewed this beautiful lace with the pearls, and then these dangles. Oh, this is so pretty. And then she did the loop in this pink. And guys, this is my first stocking other than my childhood one. Like, I don't have one at my house. And look how pretty. And then the back looks like this, cream, and it's really soft. I don't know if that's called muslin. I'm not sure. You'll have to help me. Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, this is gorgeous. I want y'all to see it all. Isn't that gorgeous? It's my favorite color. Thank you so much, Dee. I'm gonna hang this in my room on my wall, so it's up year round. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so, so, so much. Oh, I love it, guys. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, there's another one. Oh, some fabric. This is so cute. Happy Easter, happy spring. Look forward to joy they bring. Easter eggs, and it tells you the food coloring and whatnot. That is so cute. And then she sent me Grandma's gingerbread with some gingerbreads. Thank you. And then she sent me a lot of this one. Let me show y'all. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is adorable, Dee. I love it. This one says gingerbread muffins. And then it has Grandma's gingerbread. And then there's tiny little gingerbread all around it. And then she sent me like more on the back. I love ginger. I love this. Thank you so, so much. This is all Diana Markham, guys. Thank you so much, Dee. That was so sweet. Okay. Let's see what's in this pink one. Oh, she sent me some images. Oh, lovely. Thank you. This will be fun. Thank you so much. So I can color my own. Made with love. Oh, look at that gingerbread. Oh, that one's cute too. Mom's sugar cookies. Grandma's gingerbread. Gingerbread men, all fresh and yummy, a treat for the eyes, a feast for the tummy. Apple butter, Mom's apple pie, and gingerbread recipe. Thank you. I don't have any of those. Thank you so much. Okay, let's open this next one. One of these I know about, but I don't know which one it is. Oh, and is this one? I think you showed me this. This is so cute. Guys, this is adorable. Okay, let's get it open. Guys, y'all know that I have 4 kitties. This is so cute. A house isn't a home without a cat. Sometimes the mouse wins. Love. Look, he's a catnip tea. Better to feed one cat than many mice. Meow. Oh, they're so cute in the basket. Fraidy cat. You're perfect. This is adorable. Oh, I'm gonna have to make something cute with this when I take my class. Guys, I'm taking a sewing class next month. I changed the date because we got bad weather and my husband said change it. So I rescheduled. But this is adorable, Dee. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much for your generosity. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay guys, here's another one. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. That is beautiful. I love sunflowers. My husband just bought me a pendant. This is sunflower. This is another Diana Markham. How cute. Oh my gosh, there's bees. How does your garden grow? Busy as a bee. Oh, this is the one you were telling me about, the bag we're gonna make. Okay guys, we're gonna be making this bag right here. A tote. And it's gonna look like this. So that's what this is for. Earth laughs and flowers. Oh, I love this. We're gonna be all of us, there's gonna be several of us doing this bag. And she bought us all the material for it. It's so pretty, Dee. I absolutely love it. Thank you, hon. That's what she was telling me about. But I hadn't seen the material. It's so pretty. This is Diana Markham also, guys. So once I finish it, I will come back and share. And this is the last package. Okay. So this is going to be, I think, maybe not. Yes, it is. She sent me this material to make an apron. It's a Diana Markham. Let me show you the best I can. So it has the little gingerbread, and it says cookies, and then it has the gingerbread, and it says ginger on the side with another gingerbread, and it has a rolling pin, and then it says gingerbread, 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 and then at the bottom it has heart on both ends, and in the middle it has 2 grandma's gingerbread, and then it has that on the bottom, and then it has these to tie the belt, or for the straps. Dee, you are too kind to me. I appreciate you and your friendship, and this was such a sweet delight to open. Thank you so much. And guys, go check out her channel, because like I said, she has some Dee stashes, plus she makes beautiful things. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.